Hey guys, I just want to make a quick video about these carburetors, these manufactured carburetors, remanufactured carburetors. Real quick, I had a flat out problem while I was driving, and this part right here was pulled over to where it was binding up on this door here, and it wouldn't close once in a while. So I went ahead and bent that over because I had the old carburetor here and saw how it was working. So I went ahead and took care of that. I don't know if you guys know anything about that, if that would have caused my problem while I was driving. Just let me know.